So next topic is creating copy or duplicate slide. So now let us see this how we are going to create a copy or a duplicate slide on PowerPoint presentation. So right click on any slide in the slides / outline preview pane and select duplicate copy of the slide will be created below the slide. Right click on any slide and select copy. Now you can paste the copy of the slide anywhere in the presentation. Both the features are identical, but in the duplicate option, the copy will be pasted just below the slide, whereas in copy option, you can paste the copy anywhere. So now let us see how we are going to use these two options. So in this picture you can see that on the slide and outline pane which is present on the left side of the PowerPoint presentation, you have, suppose I have selected this second number slide. What we have to do after selecting, you have to right click with the help of mouse. After clicking the right click with the help of mouse, this particular menu bar will be open. On this menu bar you can see there are both the option copy and duplicate slide. Now we will see with the help of live demo what is the difference between copy and duplicate. Now you can see here. See, so on the left hand side you can see both the pane, slide and outline. There are 3 slides. Now suppose I have to make a copy of first slide. That means we have to click on this first slide option. After clicking, you have to place the cursor on the first slide itself. After keeping the cursor, just right click with the help of mouse. Now you can see. After right clicking with the help of mouse, there is the option of copy. This is the option of copy and this is the option of duplicate. First we'll go for copy. Then we have to click on copy option. Now this particular slide has been copied. Now if you want to paste here, you can paste here. See, now before there was 3 slides, now there is 4th one. First, second, third and 4th. So difference between copy and duplicate is now you have seen the how we are going to use this copy option. Copy option means after selecting any slide, you can paste anywhere on the slide. It is not compulsory that you have to paste just below that selected slide. But in duplicate, what will happen? Suppose I am selecting the second number slide. Again, we have to right click. Now you can say there is an option of duplicate slide. You have to click on duplicate slide. Now you see just below the selected slide. Then that means we have selected the second number slide. Just below the second number slide, the duplicate slide will be pasted. This is the difference between copy and the paste. Copy का मतलब क्या है? अगर हम किसी भी स्लाइड को कॉपी कर रहे हैं तो उसको हम पूरे स्लाइड में कहीं भी पेस्ट कर सकते हैं. लेकिन डुप्लीकेट स्लाइड को जब हम डुप्लीकेट स्लाइड का ऑप्शन सेलेक्ट करते हैं तो ठीक उसी के सेलेक्टेड स्लाइड के नीचे ही वो पेस्ट होगा, वो कहीं और पेस्ट नहीं होगा. सो दिस इज द मेन डिफरेंस बिटवीन selected copy and the duplicate